You've all seen dimly lit DIY videos, and many people think it's because you don't have a professional camera. What if I told you it's not? Hi, I'm Valent, corporate headshot and branding photographers based in Sydney. Today I'm going to help you create bright, professional looking videos using just your phone. Firstly, select the room you'll do your videos. The ideal room will have large floor-to-ceiling windows where the sunlight can come through. Sit to the wall next to or opposite the windows so the light bathes over your face and lights up your eyes. If you don't have a full-length window, then choose the room with the largest window possible. Avoid rooms with downlights because they cause dark eye sockets. If you have something like an oyster light that scatters light in all directions, that is a great choice. You can also add other lights pointed straight at the ceiling to brighten the room as much as possible. Now it's time to set up your phone properly. Most phones have a great auto mode that is tuned for general videos, but for educational videos they'll look a little bit dark. When you set up, you can actually tap the screen and a little box will pop up that either has a number scale that goes from negative to positive or an icon of the sun. Now simply drag the slider until the screen looks bright and airy. This tells the phone that you want the video to be relatively brighter than the auto setting. Your phone will keep the setting until it goes to sleep or you change modes, so make sure you check it each time you do a new recording. How bright do you want it? In general, you want your room to look bright and welcoming. This looks like the lights are off. And this is back on. As you can see, it's much more appealing. With these simple steps, your videos will look much better without any additional equipment. Next time, I'll go through some cost-effective tools that bring your video to the next level.